Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, got this fire alarm here showing a fault. If you have a look there, battery power supply fault. So I'll whip the cover off and we'll take a look, see what's wrong with that. Just undo these two little bolts here with the Torx. Okay. There's the panel open. As you can see, we've got a 12 volt battery there and a 12 volt battery there. They're linked together with this little lead here. They're linked in series to give 24 volts because that's what this will run off. So we've got a negative and a positive there. That's sort of your charging circuit, and we'll pick up the power from the batteries. I tried to look at this the other day and did a couple of tests. Basically what I did, well, normally when we get this fault, this battery power supply fault, it's normally just a failed battery. So what I did, I disconnected the terminals from the battery, measured across the battery with a multimeter, and it was about 3.2 volts I think, or 3.6. Anyway, it wasn't anywhere near the 12 volt. Then checked across the two leads and the charger was given something like 15 volts or whatever out, which is perfectly fine. So the chances are it's going to be this battery. Usually this fault is just the battery's not a charging circuit. What we'll do, if we disconnect that negative from there, I've got my multimeter set up, we'll just check between the positive on that battery there. It's hard doing this one-handed, but I'll try my best. There we go. And then I've got the other one on the negative of this battery. So there, 3.8 volts. Obviously this should be 24, so I tested between this terminal there and this one there, so there should be 24 across there if the batteries are good. So I'll swap these batteries out and we'll see what happens. There we go, two new batteries in, connected up, and it went with a beep, and you can now see the fault light is out. So there we go, simple as that, two new batteries. What I'll do is I'll put a couple of labels on saying that these were replaced April 2022, and then we know the future reference. Obviously what the previous engineers have done is scribbled it on there, which isn't very good. I don't know why they didn't just do it on the battery, but there you go. There's the batteries labelled up. These are the old batteries that was taken out, and if I get my multimeter, so if I can do this holding it one-handed camera, we'll connect across there, and across there. What we got on that battery? Literally 0.13 volts. You can see that one's had it, and this one here will be about 3, I would think, because that's what we got total off of them together here, 3.17. So that confirms that they aren't working. There's the panel screwed back up and fault lights out, just got the mains on. So that's that job sorted. So as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.